Now the process of charging a body by induction. Remember, conductors may be charged by induction, not insulators. Insulators can be charged only by the method of friction. Now if you want to charge a conductor by the method of induction, what you can do is, say I take two spherical conductors which are in contact with each other, but they are kept on a wooden stand, say an insulating stand, because after charging we don't want to lose those charges to the earth, so it should not be earth connected. So let us make it free from the earth by keeping it over an insulator stand. Insulating stand is this one, and now these two conductors are uncharged and they are kept in contact. Bring a charged body very close to this, but don't bring it in contact. Remember, in induction process, the two bodies, the body which is going to be charged and the body which is already charged, they need not be in physical contact. Just keep them away from each other. That's why it is called induction. Whereas in the process of conduction, we bring them in contact, physical contact. Here no physical contact is observed. So bring the charged body very close to these two spheres which are in contact. Since these two are metal spheres, they contain plenty of free electrons. Now since this is positively charged, we know that unlike charges attract. So all the electrons in this, many of the electrons, they get accumulated here because they have been attracted by this positive charge. Since these electrons have left their place from somewhere else, this end of the system should get positively charged because this electron might have come from this place. So this has lost one electron, so this is positively charged. Similarly, this electron might have come from this place, so this place has lost one electron, so this is positively charged. So electrons move to this end since this is positively charged, and they are attracted. So this end gets positively charged. So we say this in a beautiful sentence like this: when a positively charged body is brought nearer to an uncharged conductor, I will take the whole system as an uncharged conductor, opposite kind of charges are induced. So we use the word induced. It is not produced, induced. Opposite kinds of charges are induced in the nearer end, and the same kind of charges are induced in the farther end. So when you bring the positively charged body, here negative charges are induced, here positive charges are induced. So opposite kinds of charges are induced in the nearer end and same kind of charges are induced in the farther end. Now still this system is not charged because totally it is neutral. Now what you can do is keep the same charged body here only, don't move it away, separate the two charged conductors. They were in physical contact till now. Now separate them. So this is the insulating base and these charges will remain here, and now they are separated little bit away, and this is the insulator here, and this is a positively induced charge end. Now you take this charged body away. No problem. Take this away, bring them far apart. So when these charged bodies are brought away like this, what happens is, since this charged body, already charged body, finish this. So since you have taken this charged body away, what happens is, these electrons which have been attracted by this positively charged body, when this is taken away, the attraction has been lost. These negative charges will try to move back, but when they try to move back, there is a gap here, it is made up of insulator, so they can't move to the other conductor. So the only chance is they must get distributed in this conductor only. Similarly, these positive charges which have been repelled by this, they try to make themselves neutral, but not possible. These electrons don't come, so this gets positively charged. So now earlier these two bodies were neutral. We know that these were neutral. Now they have got charged. So oppositely charged they are, but we were able to charge the conductor in opposite way, which were uncharged earlier. So this is the process of charging by induction, where the charged body is not brought in physical contact with the uncharged body.